Hey guys, welcome back. This is Anya. What day is it today? Let me just show you. It is 19 April. In my last video, I told you guys the Outland electric vehicle battery upgrade to use the EVE 58 ampere hour and with our 3D print block to fit and also with the EVA foam. And there have a guys to ask a question. That is to ask us to test the EVE 58 at 3 to 4.1 voltage range to test the capacity to see the real energy. Yes, for the EVE 58 ampere hour, it is high voltage type. The voltage range for this battery cell is from 2.75 to 4.35 voltage. In this range, it's rated for 58 ampere hour. But you know, for the Outland original of battery, the LEV40, the voltage range is from 2.75 to 4.1. And there also have some guys consider that from 2.75 to 3, this voltage range is no energy. So most of customers, they want to make their battery cell more healthy. They set their voltage range is at 3 voltage to 4.1 voltage. In this voltage, they consider it will be better for the battery cells healthy. So customers are very curious about the EVE 58 ampere hour if it work at 3 to 4.1 voltage. What can be get the real capacity? So we have made this testing. Follow my camera to see the details capacity for the EVE 58 ampere hour. Here is the cell on the test machine and let's just see the details of it. Click it. So from this discharge curve, you can see this is for voltage and this is for time. This is the red curve is for the current and the blue curve is for the voltage. So you can see the final is at 50 ampere hour. The discharge cut voltage at 3 volt. The charge cut voltage at 4.1 voltage. And the current we use is 30 ampere. So from the testing, we know that the EVE 58 ampere at the voltage range 3 to 4.1 voltage, it can get 50 ampere. Except that we also done the testing for the CATL 93 ampere hour. CATL 93 ampere hour is to replace the LEV50, which is for the if Pushun ion citron zero Renault zero is such electric vehicle. And the original of LEV50, the voltage range is at 2.75 to 4.1 voltage range. So in this situation, we also done a testing at 3 voltage to 4.1 voltage. We got the result is 88 ampere hour. So it is also a very good capacity. It is the same size as EVE 58 ampere hour, CALB 58 ampere hour, and the CATL 51 ampere hour. We done the testing for CALB 58 ampere hour. At this voltage range, we only get 45 ampere hour. Yes, 45 ampere hour. To a surprise, that is the CATL 51 ampere hour. You know, for CATL 51 ampere hour, first the rated capacity is lower than the EVE 58 ampere hour or the CALB 51 ampere hour. But also the voltage range for CATL 51 ampere hour, it is at 2.75 to 4.2 voltage. It is normal voltage type. We got the capacity of CATL 51 ampere hour at 50 ampere hour. Yes, almost similar. So from this testing, I will see that the CATL 51 ampere hour and the EVE 58 ampere hour, it is all better choice for your Outland battery upgrade. So how do you think about this testing? If you want to know more details about the battery cells specification or others, please contact with our sales freely. And this is Anya. See you in next video. Bye.